Hello and welcome to the class DJJ 10013 isometric projection. Last class we just learned how to make the orthographic projection from the 3D to 2D drawing. So now I want you to convert it, flip it like that, from the 2D drawing to the 3D. So isometric is a 3D drawing. No? Isometric is a 3D drawing. So the questions always on the orthographic projection. The question will be on the orthographic projection. Convert it to the isometric projection, or the isometric projection to the orthographic projection. Doesn't matter. No. So the isometric projection. So the question is, please refer to the notes that I've given to you about the isometric projection in the drawing example 1. So I will show you how you will draw the isometric on the first step of the isometric projection. Okay. First, okay, isometric must have the isometric axis. Isometric axis is like a tapak. So if you want to draw the isometric, so you must have the isometric axis. The isometric axis is consists of one line, straight line like this one, straight line. Okay, this is the isometric line, and the line AB, we call it the line AB. AB, I want you to make it look easier. And then we got the AD and AC. AD and AC, which is we use the set square, which has the 30 degrees on this side. Okay, put your t-square fix on the table and put the set square, which is 30 degrees, rolling on the or sliding on the t-square on the table. Okay, now just make a line there which is 30 degrees, and the other line also, the other side also 30 degrees. Okay, using this one. Okay, now we got two lines, which is the first one is AB, AC, and AD. Okay, AB, sorry, AB, A, sorry, this one is AB. A and B, AB, AC, and AD. Okay, so this, all the lines that we use, it is called the isometric axis. Okay, so the point at A is the lowest point. The point at A is the lowest point. Sometimes in the question they show that in X. So the X is the lowest point in the isometric projection. Okay, please refer to the drawing example 1. The orthographic projection shows two views of an object, the front elevation and the plan. So it's given to you the front elevation and the plan. Note that the size of the object is 50 times 90 and times 80 millimeter. So 50 times 90 and times 80 millimeter. First, see the object, and then we see the X. Where is the X? The X is the lowest point. There's been marked there on the drawing example 1, and X is the lowest point. So the X must be at this point. Okay, now we can see it from the front elevation. So we put it first in 80. So the head is about 80 millimeter. So the head is about 80 millimeter. Okay, put it here like this, 80 millimeter. It is very simple if you just draw first like a 3D box. Okay, 80 millimeter. Okay, 80 millimeter. So at this part also you must, at the top you also must put the 80 millimeter there. A line, draw like a box, flip it, flip your set square. Okay, like that. And the length is about 90 millimeter. So you put it 90 millimeter. 90 millimeter. 90. Okay, 90 millimeter there. 90 millimeter. Draw the box first because the object is include from the box, and the width is about 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter there. Okay, 50 millimeter. Okay, now I put the other side, and then at the top 50. You don't have to measure every single of the because you just don't have to measure every single line that you draw. Just this part, which is the point 4 from this to this is about 50, and then you just make a line there. Okay, now we got a box there. A box. Okay, now the box, we got the box is 50 times 80 times 90. Okay, 50 times 80 times 80. 50 millimeter times 90 millimeter times 80 millimeter. This one is 80 millimeter. Okay, now we from the second steps is I want to from the x-axis. This part from, we call it a vertical part, and the horizontal part. Horizontal part is the about 30. The longest one is about 30. So you just measure 30 millimeter there. 30 millimeter there. Okay. Now the front from the X, the head is about 30 millimeter, and the one is from the 90 from the vertical part got the width of 20 millimeters. So just measure it 20 millimeter here. 1 and 2, 20 millimeter there. So from the vertical part 20 millimeter. This one crosses the line, and this one crosses the line. So you just put it together, and we got the horizontal. The vertical part is 20 millimeter at the back, and then at the horizontal part, vertical part at the back, and the horizontal part is at this one. This one. flip it. Make sure when you draw, make sure that your set square is fixed on the table. Okay. Okay, this one is at this point. This point and this point. This point and this point is look like a chair. Okay, look like a chair. Flip it. Okay. Okay, so you see, this one is at the back of the object, and this one is the horizontal part at the bottom of the object. Okay, at the bottom of the object, or the horizontal part, they got a like a parrot or something like a hole that is long enough, like a parrot there. So it's about 20 millimeter in the center. In the center from the 14. Please refer to the drawing questions on the example 1, 14. So you just measure it about 14 millimeter, and this side also is 14 millimeter. 14. Okay. 14 millimeter. Okay. Put it up. Draw the vertical line there. Vertical line. Vertical line at the top. Layout from first layout and the second layout. Second layout. Also from this point. From this layout. Okay. Please duck the point so you don't get lost about the point. Okay. Okay. This point. Okay, now and then the width. The width is about 10, 20. The about 20, and the length is about 10. 10. 10. Okay. Okay, now we got about 10, and then after that this one, flip it, 10. Okay, until you saw the point that you drawn from the horizontal space, from the. Okay. So you make a darkening. Make the line for the object more darker, so we can get the views. We can get the views very clearly. Okay. This one look like this. Okay. Look like this. And after you have finished, okay, now you make the line look darker. Okay. Okay. Where is it? Ah, this one. Okay. And then the horizontal line. This one. This one. Okay, this one, the line is the building line, and the darker one is the object line. Okay, see the difference about the object line and the building line. The object line is more darker than the building line. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay. So you will get the isometric projection. Look like a 3D one from the orthographic projection from the question of orthography. Transfer it into the isometric projection. Okay. So I think you get the idea about the orthographic, and see you again next time. Thank you.